Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to properly maintain your spa cover using the 303 Multi-Surface Cleaner and the 303 Aerospace Protectant, which will extend the life of your spa cover and keep it looking new. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and products you will need. Tools you will need: 2 clean towels. Products you will need: 303 Multi-Surface Cleaner and 303 Aerospace Protectant. Step 1. Spray the entire surface of the spa cover with the 303 Multi-Surface Cleaner until wet. Step 2. Wipe it up with a clean towel. For extremely dirty surfaces, increase the soak time. Step 3. After the surface is completely dry and out of direct sunlight, spray the entire spa cover with the 303 Aerospace Protectant. Step 4. Wipe it up with a clean towel until completely dry. If streaking occurs, too much product has been used. Use a wet towel to remove the excess and immediately wipe until completely dry. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.